Greetings, my linguistic friends. Are you ready for some serious pronunciation fun? Today, we will be exploring a word that will make you feel like a medieval hero. Get ready to strap on your armor because we are talking about the word paladin. Paladin. This word has a rich history, starting as a French term for warrior. Back in the late 1500s, it was used specifically to describe one of the 12 knights who served Charlemagne. But as time marched on, the meaning of paladin evolved to encompass any person who is chivalrous and heroic. It later became known as a brave and noble defender of justice in medieval times. So, what does that mean today? Think of paladin as someone who battles for a cause they believe in, a true champion of justice. Nowadays, this word still brings to mind someone who fights for what's right, a real hero in shining armor. Here is a sentence example. The paladin training camp is destroyed. With a solid understanding of the word and its pronunciation, you will be a true paladin of the English language. Before we get to our second word, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we release a new episode. Your support helps us continue bringing you fun and interactive ways of learning new words. And now, let's move on to a word that's perfect for anyone who wants to rule the conference room. Delegate. Delegate. This word has two meanings that will make you the talk of the conference room. First, it refers to the special someone who has been chosen to represent their group or organization at a meeting. Picture yourself as the selected VIP, ready to speak on behalf of your team. But it doesn't stop there. Delegate can also mean passing the torch and giving someone else the power to handle the responsibility. Let's talk about how delegation works in the workplace. Imagine you are in charge and you have got a lot on your plate. But don't worry, delegation is here to save the day. Here is an example of how you can delegate with different levels of trust and control. You can give directions to a colleague and tell them exactly what to do. You can assign someone to gather information for you, like a research ninja. Have them compile all the data, get feedback, and report back to you so you can make the best decisions. It's like having your own personal think tank. Delegation is a win-win situation. You get the help you need, and your colleagues get to show off their skills and feel valued. So go ahead, delegate like a pro and watch your productivity soar. Here is a sentence example. Many employers find it hard to delegate. That's it for this video, folks. Don't forget to practice, practice, practice. And remember, with a good pronunciation, you can become a paladin of the English language, ready to conquer any linguistic challenge. Thanks for watching.